Here's a list of stuff from kinda magical to unbelievably magic. 2 years of research and 57 prototypes later, he made it happen. Meet Shai's unbelievably magical invention, Power Up 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Using state-of-the-art technology, Power Up 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean, mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach Power Up 3 and install the app. Now call your mom and tell her you're a pilot, cause it works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 yards of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast. Out of juice? Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. As Shai learned in his career as a pilot, planes should be built for flying and for crashing. That's why all components of the Power Up 3 are super durable and crash-proof. But here's where Shai made it really cool. Power Up 3's smart chip is programmed to optimize user happiness. You don't need a PhD in aeronautics to be able to fly it. The prototype is fully functional and the super ultra magical Power Up 3 is ready for production. This is where Shai needs your magic beans. If you help Shai get to 1,400 backers, you'll help him bring the joy of flight to everyone and obtain the privilege to look down on regular paper planes for the rest of your life. So back Power Up 3 and help make the magical earn.
What if we told you you can see invisible things? What if we told you you can know the answer to any question? What if? That is all now possible with the 24K UPI Invisible Watch. We are bringing you this new, innovative, invisible technology. When the watch is turned on, it looks like there is nothing on the screen. But when you use our special, unique glasses, you are able to see the content on the screen. To make this work, we use a special screen and special lenses. The glasses are unisex and made with good quality. Now you can upload content on the watch. Put the glasses on and enjoy your exams, because only you will have access to the hidden content.
15 miles, huh? That's insane.
It's far. It's really about what you can do at that range, though.
I think the launch video is about freedom. I think it's snowboarding on land, big lines, big landscape, wind in the hair, pure bliss, howling at the moon. There's nothing else like it. We go, we shoot in the desert.
Disagree. 15 miles? That's legit urban transportation. I think it's gotta be going places. Crisscrossing the city, stopping on a dime, crushing hills.
The Mini Safe Wallet. The first code-encrypted pocket-sized vault, including a locking system with 1,000 different combination possibilities and a choose-your-own system. It's also guarded with RFID blocking technology. Your contactless cards will be kept safe and protected from electronic pickpockets. The lock is made out of metal for maximum reliability. It is extremely handy thanks to its fan-shaped interior, giving easy access to all your cards, which are stored and well sorted. It can hold US dollars and euros and fit up to 12 cards.